Hi, welcome to Story English. In this video, you will learn more about these sentences.
1. Sentences about sleep.
2. Sentences about breakfast.
3 sentences about movies and homework.
4. Sentences about animals.
5. Sentences about food.
Let's watch this video together until the end.
Good morning, Tom. Time to wake up.
Good morning, Mom. I'm still sleepy.
Come on, it's already 7 o'clock. You don't want to be late.
Okay, I'm getting up now.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well, but I want 5 more minutes.
No more minutes. Go wash your face.
All right, where's my toothbrush?
It's in the bathroom, next to the sink.
Oh, yes, I see it.
Don't forget to brush your teeth and comb your hair.
Okay, I'm brushing now.
Good. Breakfast is ready. Come to the kitchen when you're done.
What's for breakfast today?
Toast eggs and orange juice.
Yum, that's my favorite.
I know. Now hurry up. We don't want to be late.
Hi, Emma. Good morning.
Good morning, Tom.
How are you today?
I'm okay, but I'm still sleepy.
Me too. I went to bed late last night. Same here. I watched a movie with my brother.
What movie was it?
It was a cartoon. Very funny.
Oh, that sounds fun. Nice. Do you have homework for math today?
Yes, but I finished it last night. What about you?
I finished it this morning. I woke up early.
Wow, good job. I can't wake up early.
You can try sleeping earlier tonight.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Great. Let's go to school. What page are we on today, Tom?
I think we are on page 22. It's about animals.
Oh, yes, I see it. There are many new words here.
Yes, some of them are difficult. Do you know what giraffe means?
Yes, it's a tall animal with a long neck. I saw one in the zoo last summer.
That's right. And what about elephant?
That one is easy. It's a big animal with a long trunk.
Good. Let's try to read the text together.
Sure. Do you want to read the first part, or should I?
You can start, and I will read the second part.
Okay, after we read, we can try the exercises at the end of the page.
Yes, that's a good idea. It will help us remember the new words.
I'm so happy. School is over.
Me too. I'm tired, but it was a good day. What are you going to do at home?
First, I want to eat something. I'm very hungry. Same here. My mom always makes a snack after school.
Lucky you. I usually make my own sandwich. Are you going to do your homework today?
Yes, after I eat and rest a little. What about you?
I'll do it after dinner. I want to watch TV first.
That sounds nice. What show do you like?
A funny cartoon. It always makes me laugh. Cool, okay. This is my bus stop. See you tomorrow, Emma.
See you tomorrow, Tom.
Have a good evening.
Hi, Tom. How was your day at school?
It was good, Mom. I learned new words in English.
That's great.